The Battle of France is over. The Battle of Britain is about to begin.
If you look to your left and prepare yourself for the noisy arrival of the Royal Air Force's premier strike attack bomber, the Tornado GR4. This is the first season the GR4 has been on show, having undergone some major changes from the GR1. Coming in from the you may know that the aircraft is carrying the 15 Reserve Squadron markings. 15 Reserve Squadron is the Tornado Operation Conversion Unit. The aircraft is now being slowed down to perform a slow-speed 67 wing flight past. This wing sweep is normally only used for high-speed dashes. The crews must ride as an approach to land in case the wing sweep fails in this position. Of which 1100 hours are on the Tornado GR1, GR4. Has the distinction of being the first pilot display team and is also an instructor on 15 Squadron.
What to do?
Head back to RAF Portsmouth. Is in the Harriers colours of Treble 1 Trembler Squadron. Flown by Andy Cuban, retired now from the Air Force, but he was a highly qualified and experienced fast jet pilot with a lot of experience in the display circuit. He's got over 3,000 hours in the Jaguar, displayed the Jaguar for 3 years, and then followed on with a 3-year tour in the Red Hours.
Phil Pam.
Next on we have just reading from the notes, the Yakovlev's, Britain's second best four-aircraft display team. The team flies 4 Russian-designed Yak aircraft that combine the performance of a Spitfire with proven world-class aerobatic manoeuvrability. The lead aircraft is a modified Yak 52, once the primary training aircraft for sport pilots of the former Soviet bloc. Derived from the Yak 18 and the Yak 50, and first flown 24 years ago, some 1,800 examples have been built, and this popular and extremely rugged aircraft is still in production today. The Super 52 today is flown by Jez Hopkinson, who is a flight examiner and a display pilot examiner as well. And surrounding him are 3 single-seat Yak 50s, flying in box formation. Nick Bernard has been in